In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bull-bear power indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get this indicator onto your chart so you can start using it right away. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine. What matters is that you're on the main charting screen. At the top of the chart, you'll see a toolbar. Look for the button labelled Indicators in that top panel. This is where all of TradingView's built-in and custom indicators are stored. Go ahead and click on Indicators. When you do, a new window will pop up over your chart. Inside this window, you'll see several tabs and categories. To make things simple, we're going to head straight to the section designed for indicator tools. Look toward the top or side of that window for a section called Technicals. This is where TradingView groups most of the technical analysis indicators that traders use every day. Click on Technicals to narrow down the options and make it easier to find what we need. Once you're in the Technicals section, you'll notice a search bar. This search bar is the fastest way to find any specific indicator instead of scrolling through a long list. Click into the search field so you can start typing. This is important because there are hundreds of indicators, and using search ensures you're grabbing the correct one. Now, type bull-bear power into the search bar. As you type, TradingView will filter the results in real time. You should see an indicator called bull-bear power appear in the list below the search box. That's the one we want. Double check the name so you know you're adding the right indicator, then click on it once. As soon as you do, the window will close and the bull-bear power indicator will be added to your chart, usually appearing in a separate panel below the main price chart. At this point, you're ready to start exploring how the indicator behaves with your chosen asset. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want more features, like additional indicators on the same chart or more layout options, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you'll get the full experience while you experiment with bull-bear power and other tools.